Assuming there are 3 models in the S24 line, you'll likely have to decide between the Galaxy S24's 6.1-inch display, the Galaxy S24 Plus's 6.6-inch one, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch screen. That's assuming these phones adopt the same display sizes as their respective predecessors. That said, the standard and middle models might be marginally larger, at 6.17 inches and 6.65 inches, respectively, according to one Galaxy S24 Plus screen leak. The latter phone may also come with a WQHD display, meaning it could be closer to the S22 Ultra than the base S24. Unless Samsung rocks the boat, we'd expect the vanilla model to stick with the S23's 120Hz AMOLED display, 2340 by 1080 pixels, with the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra sporting the S23 Ultra's glorious dynamic AMOLED 2X panel, 1440 by 3088 pixels, as well as its dynamic refresh rate that can scale between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. That might top out at 144 Hz this time around though. However, one leak suggests both the Samsung Galaxy S24 and the Galaxy S24 Plus will also be able to dynamically adjust their refresh rates between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. Their predecessors could only drop to 48 Hz, so this would be a big upgrade, and could help improve battery life. There's also talk of a new, more power-efficient M13 OLED panel at work on at least the S24 Ultra, with scale of production dictating whether this more power-efficient panel also gets used on the S24 and S24 Plus. Also on the screen front, we've heard that all 3 Galaxy S24 models might have a peak brightness of 2500 nits, which would make them the brightest smartphone screens on the planet. Intriguingly, the actual look of the phones may be very different to what we're used to. Samsung recently hired Hubert H. Ali, a former design executive at Mercedes-Benz, to lead its smartphone and smartwatch design department from 2023 and beyond, so the S24 and S24 Ultra may veer away from recent Galaxy S models in terms of aesthetics. Indeed, several leaks point to design changes for the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus, with both phones reportedly in line for smaller bezels. We've also seen renders of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus with a similar design, and of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, with no real changes other than smaller bezels. We've also heard though that the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might use titanium for its frame, rather than the aluminum of its predecessor. Titanium is stronger, but also more expensive. The same source has since made this claim again, though specifying that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will use a titanium alloy, and that it will apparently weigh 233 g. That's 1 g less than the S23 Ultra, and if the change in frame material is the main factor affecting the weight, then that's likely to mean the S24 Ultra will be substantially stronger than its predecessor. One leaker actually claims that all 3 Samsung Galaxy S24 phones will ship with iPhone 15 Pro style titanium sides. But since this rumor contradicts reports from other prominent tipsters, we'd suggest taking it with a pinch of salt for now. This video ends here, and the summary of this video is likely to have roughly the same screen sizes as last year. iPhone 15 Pro style designs rumored for the S24 and S24 Plus. The S24 Ultra might have a slightly different camera layout. See you in the next video. Till then, peace out.